Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to create a Facebook dating account. Follow these steps carefully, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your account. Let's begin. Start by opening the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not have a Facebook account yet, you will need to create one before you can access Facebook Dating. Remember, to use Facebook Dating, your account must be at least 30 days old and it should be in good standing. Also, you need to be at least 18 years old. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu. Depending on the version of Facebook you're using, the menu might be located either in the top right or bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the menu icon to open it. Scroll through the options and look for the Dating feature. If you do not see it immediately, tap on See More under the Shortcuts section. This is where additional features, including Facebook Dating, might be listed. If you see the Dating option, tap on it to begin setting up your profile. If the option does not appear, ensure that Facebook Dating is available in your country. You can check this by visiting the Facebook help page and looking for the list of eligible countries. If Facebook Dating is available but not showing in your app, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. Start by ensuring the Dating feature is enabled in your navigation bar. To do this, go back to the menu and tap on the gear or settings icon. Scroll down to Preferences and select Navigation Bar. Look for Facebook Dating in this list. If it is set to Hidden, tap on it and choose Pin to make it visible on your navigation bar. If the feature is still not appearing, you might need to update or reinstall the Facebook app. For Android devices, you can uninstall the app from your device and download it again from the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, you can use the Offload app feature to reinstall Facebook without losing your data. To do this, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Find Facebook in the list of apps and tap on it. Select Offload app and confirm your choice. Once offloaded, tap on Reinstall app and wait for the process to complete. After reinstalling or updating the app, open Facebook again and check if the Dating feature is now available. If it appears, tap on it to start creating your profile. Follow the prompts to add your details, preferences, and photos to your dating profile. Facebook Dating operates separately from your main Facebook profile, so you can customize it according to your preferences. Once your profile is set up, you can start using Facebook Dating to explore potential matches and connect with others. If you experience any issues or have additional questions, you can visit the Facebook help page for further assistance. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.